Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Milady meme coin. We're going to be analyzing the chart, see what is happening. There has been a lot of bloodbath across the board, not only within altcoins, but we're starting to see meme coins as a whole. Like the entire meme coin market really did take a hit, especially the big players. So it's just not Milady. We're seeing this market wide. So we're going to be analyzing the charts, see what is happening, and I'm going to share my personal opinion with you guys as to what I can see happen in the immediate short term. So if we're looking at the price right now, still about 7 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 37,375. We're down about 13.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 10% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $32.7 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $20 million. So without a doubt, it's no secret at this point that the price has been in a downward trend, and there has been a huge sell-off that has been happening. But of course, if we go on their Twitter, you guys can see the overall community is still growing, which is a good sign. Of course, we have to point that out. And if we're looking at the holder count, it has decreased once again, but we're still holding above 15,000 holders. So that means majority, again, we always need to analyze a majority, and if we're looking at that, the majority of the holders are still holding quite strong. Remember guys, this is the wild west of cryptocurrency markets. Things can tank 80-90% from all-time highs, and that is just part of the market cycle. And this is why I've said this from the beginning. If you're not locking in profits, guys, you are missing out. You can't get greedy. You just cannot get greedy in the cryptocurrency market because, that's just not how things work. Greed will end up, destroying people's gains. And, I've been seeing comments flooding in. I shared on my channel before, there was one guy, he said he had $200,000 profit in, Milady, and then he did not end up selling it. So you guys can see, and we need to learn from these kind of things. We need to be on the winner's side, but we're going to analyze the chart, see whether or not we could see some sort of a relief rally. Is this the end, or are we about to see a little bit of a spike up within the price of Milady? But before we begin, guys, as always, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. I appreciate everyone's support. I love each and every one of you guys. Continue supporting, and I will continue making these updates for you guys. So if we're looking at the market cap, currently sitting at $33.1 million, and it's up about 14% over the last 6 hours. So we're in green over the last 6 hours. People will definitely take that, but let's examine, over the past few hours, we are starting to see a green coming in terms of buys, so we'll take that. But let's look further in terms of the price. So you guys can see, I told you guys in my yesterday's update that we could be retesting the May 12th lows, which was at that 4219 cents mark. And I said, we want the price. If you guys watched that video, I was like, we have to see this price really hold. If it were not to hold, we could see more downward trend. And as a matter of fact, the price went below that level of support, which caused more of a retracement, within the price of Milady. But as I said, if we go look across the market and see all the big meme coins that were, going crazy earlier in May, all of them are having a similar price action in terms of its price. And, could we see a rally coming up? Because Pepe on itself as well, did see a retracement within its price as well. It went below the $600 million market cap, but it went up back right above that $600 million market valuation. So that shows the importance of that zone. Remember, these coins are not in the market for a while. This coin has just been on the market for just a little over a month, and it has made massive strides. So there's going to be profit taking happening, and what we have seen happen with this coin is a perfect example of a snowball effect. I've told you guys this before. People have taken profits, massive players have taken profits, and that really does create a panic, especially for newcomers in the market. They will start selling, and more and more people start selling, and then it becomes a bigger sell-off than what it was initially intended to be. But now comes a question that everyone wants to know. Could we finally see a relief rally occurring? Because we need to look at it from this point of view. Literally from the 17th of May, we have seen the price drop 69%. But now what I really need ladies to do is get above this level of resistance, and we're pretty close to that level of resistance. Of course, that was playing as a level of support for us before, but we need to see the price reclaim above this 4260 cents mark. Like, it needs to be around that zone. If it's above that, we're totally okay with that. And if Pepe especially starts making a move towards the upside slowly but surely, we could see that trigger happen within the other meme coins as well. And of course, the $1 million question, do I personally think Ladies is dead? I personally think not. I've seen coins that have exploded, that have dumped like crazy, and that still make a comeback. This is the beginning of the meme coin market. But with that said, you always want to diversify your portfolio. You always want to do your due diligence and research, and always invest what you can afford to lose. If you have done that, guys, you guys know what to do. Patience is your number one key to follow. Retracements can happen with small cap coins quite fast, especially meme coins. Manipulation can occur easily, but these coins can return to their previous highs way faster than a lot of people think. We're about 15% away for us to retest the May 12th lows, and I would like to see the price for Ladies there. And if it's there, great. And now people might come and say Ladies will never go up to its all-time high, but we need to remember what it has done from May 12th. People who picked it up on May 12th at its low saw a gain after about 3.25%. So it just depends on where the volume comes. Remember, Elon Musk was a huge player that of course was a catalyst to this price action that we have seen, and of course he has used that tweet. It's in his possession. We need to look at it from that point of view. When it comes to meme coins, sure, he tweeted about it once, but he went out of his way. He saved that picture in his account or whatever on his phone, and he went out to tweet that. That's huge. So I still have quite a bit of hope for Milady. The community is still massive. Everyone is still quite bullish on this. If you guys are aware, meme coins, I've said this from the beginning. I know I might be sounding like a broken record to a lot of people that watch my videos every day, but remember, there's a lot of new people coming in the markets at the same time. And what I'm trying to say is 99.9% of all the meme coins will go to zero. But that does not mean people can't make short-term gains with these coins. I still believe meme coin mania has a lot of fuel left within itself. Pepe is still going to make massive strides, in my opinion. I think it is going to take Shiba Inu's spot. And keeping all those into consideration, I think these big players, especially the ones that has made statements for themselves, have developed communities, are going to be the ones that are going to follow with that Pepe run. But again, remember, that's my own personal opinion. Only time is going to tell. But like I said, if the price were to reclaim above this level of resistance, I would be bullish on that side. I could have hope that if Pepe starts moving towards the upside as we approach the weekend, we could see some sort of reversal happening across Milady as well. So that is my personal analysis on the token right now. Of course, a lot of panic right now, but this is why I always say invest what you can afford to lose. If you have done that, who cares? If you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, then you need to have patience. If this were to be the next big thing, then guess what? If that does happen, you will make gains. If not, then, so be it. You win some, you lose some. This is meme coin market. I've said this from the beginning. You need to keep, your risk exposure low. when it comes to that. And in order for keeping your risk exposure low is by investing where you can afford to lose. Always do your own due diligence and research. And then you have a peace of mind as well at the same time, and you're not always worrying, having a headache. If you are sitting there and having a headache that ladies is dumping left and right, then guess what? You're too much exposed into this coin, and you do not want to be too much exposed into any coin, not just meme coins, any coin. You name it, you do not want to be that. And I've said this from the beginning, and I'll continue saying that. I still have a lot of hope for ladies. I think this does have still a lot of legs within itself, but we do need to claim that level of resistance as soon as possible, and I think we would be looking good. But remember also, one thing a lot of people do not understand is that Bitcoin has also seen once again the bears in control. The Bitcoin is once again in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, so bears do have steam on their side right now, which is impacting the entire market, including ladies. Yes, you've heard that correct. But that is it for today's update. Of course, we'll keep you guys updated if anything were to happen. Let me know down below your personal thoughts, your personal opinions. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.